So this is another part of the outside of the caves.
Dong Thien Thanh.
It's a cave, isn't it? So this is the entrance. I had to climb about more than 300 steps. I didn't take the video because I had to be very careful, very slippery. This is the entrance of this cave. Wow, this is another. The other one I just did was under the water. This is above the earth. Wow, another world. It's amazing. There's another world of cave here. You can see on the top and down. I'm just stepping down slowly. I have to be careful. Otherwise, you'll be fell over, you know. This gate. It's a great experience. My goodness. Nature, that's why the nature is the biggest artist, isn't it? Look at that. Nature is the biggest artist. If I a little bit zoom around like this, look at that. So extraordinary to see that. And the top and all these things, amazing. Now going further down, the one we did in the water, this is not in the water, this is in the earth, on the top of the earth. So another steps, I had to be careful. Slowly walking down underground. So this amazing thing, you know, it's a beyond words, beyond price, you know. See this. Chandeliers, the natural chandeliers. Look like a Shivalinga, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Hrim Namah Shivaya. That's the end of this cave here. It's not that big cave. And then I coming back, going up. The lady, she's waiting for me in the top. Feel a little bit tired and feel like out of breath. I feel like that. But it's okay. Very nice here, isn't it? So stunning, beautiful. Cheers. So going back, coming out from this cave. One thing you have to remember, wherever you go, you rely on the local community. They know better than any digital. I will be careful, yes. She gave me the warning, very careful, slipping place. Oh, cheers, thank you. So going down, isn't it? So now I am climbing down this, come out from this cave. There's a cave entrance there. And now I'm climbing down. Climbing down is slightly harder than climbing up because we need a strong knee cartilage to protect our knees walking. Otherwise knee get a problem, you know. Coming down is harder than climbing up. Climbing up, we need more lungs, respiratory system need to be worked properly, a lot of energy. But climbing down, less work with the respiratory system or lungs, but we have to be very, very careful. You have to use your leg, especially knees, as a brake, and then we do slowly, slowly, like a gear system in cars, the vehicles. More than 200 steps, I think, maybe 200, 300 steps. Sweating a lot. Climbing down easy, but we need to use our common sense, you know. Yes. She gives the signing already, and have to be careful. Very interesting, because communication, we can communicate with some sounds. I saw a program in the television years ago in Africa, Ethiopia, I think. Some people communicate with some sound. Tuck, 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 tick, 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 tuck, tuck, like that types of sounds they produce communicating. Here she exactly using that sound, like a coughing sound. When some danger comes, she make a sound. So that means some danger there, which is good. Even among animals also, they do some sort of a warning signal. You know, when I remember that when there are a lot of cobra snakes in India, and when the birds started to see, or monkeys start to see the cobra snakes, they make a big voice to warn other snakes or other birds and other dogs, other monkeys, and they know that there's some danger they're going on, and then everyone start to scream a lot. Interesting. I think we humans also learn from animals. Sound. So just coming down the bottom, the main part, the bamboo leaves there. Now I reach at the bottom of this cave. Yes. Yes. Okay, that's the name of this cave, Dong Thien Thanh. Which is, she asked me to walk this way rather than walking that way because slippery, you know. Very good. The tilted house there. Very good. She gave me a good warning, you know, walk through that path rather than walking the stone pavement. One tilted house. And now that's the boat I come from, showing the closer view, and then I had to go back. Now I'm going here, maybe have a glass of water. No, okay, cheers. She said no need to go there. I had to stay. She asked me to stay here. That's fine. Some news, some gentleman listening the Vietnamese news. There's a butterfly in front of me. There are a lot of butterflies here, you know. Big bamboo trees. You see there, the big mountain. I come from there. Big mountains. So stunning. This trip make my day amazing, you know. So she's going to untie the boat, preparing, going to return back. Thank you for watching this amazing video of countryside of Vietnam, caves and natural inhabitants. Thank you. Yes, I'm going to get into the boat now. Yes. Yes. Just got it. Sit on the boat now. Thank you. Thank you very much. She's so sweet. So nice, you know. Nice people. Hardworking, you know. Look at she used the shoulders to row the boat, and maybe how the time passes, a lot of wear and tear happen, you know, shoulder pain. You need to appreciate these people, their health, well-being, their everything, you know. As a tourist, I don't want to say me as a tourist, but I like to be like a local. But I had to accept the realities indeed. I am still a tourist. So going back, goodbye to this beautiful place, this rock. I never ever experienced that type of, you know, like a cave experience in my life. Okay, that Kudu Liu, that's a location. So we're going there. Oh really? Oh my God. So yeah, she says we are going.
Hangwood.
Huh? Pardon?
Hangwood.
Hangwood. Haha. She's saying that he take me to another area of the cave of this, you know, this place. There's a small bridge there. I don't know. That's, if she knows English, she can easily. Give me the torch. Another cave. So this is the third. First cave in the water, second cave above the earth, on the top of the earth. This is the third one, which is again under the earth, which is the water. It's a different location. Chandeliers. Wow. People who have a condition called claustrophobia, they had to be very careful to come to the cave like this because it's a health condition. They need to be treated because I do not recommend them to come here. Claustrophobia. My ex-wife, she used to have a claustrophobia. Is that very dark? A small hill. People put some cross signal. You know, the depth is very deep. Look at that, deep. Pardon? Udan. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Ah, there's a deity. Om Shivalinga is there. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Oh, that's amazing. A deity, Mount Kailas, and on the top is Shivalinga, worshipping the God Shiva, Om Namah Shivaya. She say Udan. Udan means some altar or deity worship here. That's amazing. We need to get down here. She say I have to get down here. Hello? I'm okay. Oh, you know, that's a cave. Wow. Another cave is there. My God, that's a long. I could go, but it's very slippery there. I worried about slipping, you know. Look at that, chandeliers. Huge, huge, very huge. The water is very deep, more than 5 meters. The depth of the water here, I just saw it. So extraordinary. Now I'm going to stop this video because I know you may get bored. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. And namaste. Welcome to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shiva Yoga World and Travel. In that way you can travel with me, experience the travel experience, my yoga experience, everything. Have a good day. Namaste. Thank you. Best wishes. Thank you.